Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another video. In this video, we're going to be talking about how to recover your TikTok account without a phone number. So let's get straight into the video, shall we? Simply go ahead and open your TikTok application. Once you've done that, simply go ahead and tap on your profile icon on the bottom right of your screen. And this is where you're going to be taken to the login page right over here. Now, all you need to do is tap on the question mark icon on the top left of your screen and finally click on recover your account up over here. Now, all you need to do is simply go ahead and search for your username or your email, so whatever it be, and click on search. Once you've done that, it will go ahead and find your account. If it still doesn't, let me go ahead and search for it again. What you need to do is simply go ahead and use your email to verify your identity. Or if you still are having problem, you can simply tap on need help down here and click on submit a ticket. And this is where you can simply go ahead and have selected account access security and login issue and account recovery and explain your problem and send it to them, and their team is going to be in contact with you. I hope this video clarified everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below and I'll see you on the next one.